This is the beautyberry shrub, and it has purple fruit that comes on in the fall. Right now it has these beautiful little delicate pink blossoms that the bees just love. There are bees everywhere, specifically honeybees. The big problem now is attracting pollinators in the garden. Trying to keep our honeybees around. I hope you can hear the bees, and this is almost exclusively honeybees on this beautyberry. I wanted to show you the lovely purple berries on the beautyberry, and it has been so dry here. The poor leaves are just dangling, but it's really an amazing tree. And there's several types of beautyberries, and this is the native. You can tell it's a native by the berries. They're one after the other on the stem, and because of the color, it's a darker color. You want to be sure you get the native beautyberry.